In a significant diplomatic development, Russia has agreed to discharge all Indian nationals serving in its military following discussions between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Vladimir Putin during Modi's visit to Moscow. This comes amidst reports of Indian citizens being involved in Russia's conflict against Ukraine. According to news agency ANI, at least 2 Indian nationals have lost their lives while fighting in Ukraine, while others alleging deception into joining the combat. Sources reveal that during a private dinner hosted by Putin, Modi raised the issue, prompting Russia to agree to facilitate the return of Indian citizens from military service. Reuters reported that fixing India's trade imbalance with Russia and securing the discharge of misled Indian citizens were among Modi's priorities during this visit. India has expressed strong concerns over the recruitment of its nationals for roles in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, seeking their expedient discharge from military duty, as per PTI reports. Reports indicate up to 200 Indian nationals were recruited, mostly at support staff, though exact numbers remain unclear amidst challenges in communication and verification. The Central Bureau of Investigation recently cracked down on a human trafficking network involving recruitment promises for high-paying jobs in Russia, highlighting the plight faced by many deceived Indians. Modi's visit, his first since Russia's Ukraine campaign began, aims to balance long-standing ties with Moscow while exploring closer relations and security relations, especially with the West. As the talks between Modi and Putin continue to unfold, India's efforts to safeguard its citizens and navigate its diplomatic course remain in the spotlight amidst global concerns over the Ukraine crisis.